It's down 12% as well.
Okay, but there is a positive sentiment rub-off impact on Muthoot Finance and Manappuram General Finance. In fact, for Muthoot Finance, it's the 5th day of gain, and we've seen the biggest single-day rise in the stock since June of 2020. And even for Manappuram Finance, this is the biggest single-day gain since September of 2020. So to talk more about what's fueling their rally, can they benefit from IIFL's pain? Abhishek joins in with some analysis and numbers. Abhishek.
Well, as you rightly put out, someone's loss is someone's gain. Investors do feel that the loss of incremental growth for IIFL Finance may be taken up by other gold financing NBFCs. So take a look at the numbers. As of Q3 FY24, IIFL Finance, their AUM in the gold portfolio was about 31.9% or about 24,692 crores. So they had disbursed close to 9,000 crore of disbursements in gold financing book alone in Q3 FY24. I did back of the envelope calculation. It showed that just 11% of the disbursements actually went into AUM. Gold loans yields are super attractive for IIFL Finance at about 19% that they have shown in their PPT as of Q3 FY24. Average ticket size, if you take into account the number of accounts that they have, and the AUM works out to close to 1,30,000. In terms of asset quality, is one of the best in asset quality with respect to gross NP ratio of 1.16%. However, take a look at other gold financing NBFCs as well. Manappuram, the book size is about 20,758 crore. 51.4% of their AUM is in gold financing. The average ticket size is very low compared to IIFL Finance at about 83,032 rupees. The gold loan yields are super attractive over here at 22.6% as of Q3 FY24. They have a tonnage of more than 58 tons in their portfolio, and gross NPA ratio is about 2%. Take a look at Muthoot Finance. The gold AUM is about 97.25% of their overall AUM, which is right now at 69,221 crore with respect to gold financing AUM. The tonnage is massive over here at 184 tons. Gross NPA ratio is at 3.6%. Overall, the average blended yield for them is about 17.8% in terms of Q3 FY24. Now, one of the key highlights that IIFL Finance did mention in the con call is that RBI is uncomfortable with respect to cash disbursals of more than rupees 20,000, while they say that even peers are giving a cash disbursals of 2 lakh or above. So analysts do say that Muthoot Finance and Manappuram are also disbursing gold loans up to rupees 2 lakh in cash. So this is a standard industry practice. Both Muthoot and Manappuram may also get impacted due to this norm that may come in for them sooner or later, and that is why both Muthoot as well as Manappuram are off highs that they saw in the opening trade. Back to you.
All right, important to point that out. Thanks, very much for that perspective on the peers in the system as well, Abhishek. Let's take the discussion forward and try